another more, breaking update that is now coming in. Let's in the meantime talk about the response that the UAE has been giving. Because the UAE has also condemned Iran's what they labeled as terrorist attack on the Habshan gas facility and the Bab field. And the UAE has now strongly condemned the Iranian terrorist attack at which they believe and have been saying was successfully intercepted by the country's air defenses with no injuries being reported. In a statement, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the UAE has now stressed that these attacks constitute as a dangerous escalation and a violation of international law, and the UAE also reserve its full right to take all necessary measures to protect its sovereignty and national security and to safeguard when it comes to its national interest is also concerned. So what we are looking at on part of Tehran, the retaliation across the Gulf states that has continued, even at gas facilities and the energy infrastructure, whether be it in Qatar, in Saudi Arabia that has been hit, and also in the UAE. The UAE now condemning Iran's terrorist attack on the Habshan gas facility and the Bab field, where the UAE say that they have strongly condemned the terrorist attack, which was successfully intercepted by the country's air defenses with no injuries being reported. In a statement, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has stressed that these attacks constitute a dangerous escalation and a violation of international law, and the UAE reserves full right to take all necessary measures to protect sovereignty and national security and to safeguard national interests. And the ministry has further emphasized that this terrorist attack attacking critical infrastructure and oil facilities represents a direct threat to regional security and stability, as well as to global energy security as well. Because hitting the energy infrastructure in the Gulf, that means that there is going to be global consequences, because this seems to be the collateral damage that it will plunge into darkness as far as when it comes to the involvement of multiple countries is now concerned, and the regional conflict will only get wider. Now what we are looking at, because we are already 3 weeks into the war with the US, Israel, Iran, and 3 weeks of relentless drone strikes, ballistic missile attacks, mounting casualties, and the focus now shifts to Washington.